Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. My name is Dragos and I'm here to share the latest integration we've built in our product. If you are an MSP or a security consultant, you know the reality of vulnerability management. It's a multi-tool challenge. You are dealing with dozens of clients with lots of assets to be scanned. For this, you are likely using a range of vulnerability scanners to achieve comprehensive coverage. And if you are already leveraging a platform like Nucleus Security to centralize all your vulnerability data, you understand the immense value of a unified view. Today, we've got some exciting news. We've just added a powerful new integration to our stack, the Nucleus Security integration. This means our powerful vulnerability scanners can now seamlessly feed directly into your Nucleus dashboard, allowing you to paint a more complete picture of your security posture. Our integration offers smooth, zero-maintenance data flow. You can automatically push results from your Pentest-Tools.com scans directly into your Nucleus dashboard. No more custom scripts and no fragile APIs to babysit just to get valuable new findings where you need them. You can now merge all your vulnerability results from our scanners directly into your unified Nucleus interface, alongside findings from your other tools. This helps you drastically reduce the overhead of manually assembling and verifying data across all your different tools, especially when you are combining our detailed findings with others you already have in Nucleus. But we also understand that sometimes you need granular control over what goes into your reports. For clients who require curated reporting, you can also manually select and send only specific findings from our product. If you are a consultant who prioritizes refining all the findings before delivering them, you might also be happy to learn that manual findings created in Pentest-Tools.com can be also sent to Nucleus. This means you can push only validated, high-confidence findings from your scans, ensuring clear and concise communication with your clients through your Nucleus report. And for even greater efficiency, you can automatically sync findings from our product into Nucleus based on specific triggers, giving you flexibility in deciding what gets sent. Plus, you can connect multiple Nucleus projects to Pentest-Tools.com and use each one with the workspace you want. This way, all your customer information remains separated by projects within your Nucleus environment. So, how easy is it to get started and send our powerful scanner results directly into your Nucleus dashboard? Let me show you. First, you will simply navigate to your integration section within Pentest-Tools.com. Here, you will select Nucleus. You will then need your Nucleus API key and the subdomain of your Nucleus workspace. I'll get my API key from the Nucleus dashboard. As well as the subdomain of my Nucleus environment. Once you've entered these details, you will establish the connection. Now we can go on and link Nucleus projects with Pentest-Tools.com. To do this, we can click on Add. You can see that, based on the credentials we provided earlier, our Nucleus projects are here, ready to be linked. Let's choose the third project, and if you want, you can also add a description. And now that we have our first Nucleus project linked with Pentest-Tools.com, we can go on and use it. As I mentioned earlier, there are two ways of making use of this integration. Use it with a notification or manually. I'll show you both. We can go to Settings, Notifications, and add a new notification to this workspace. So what will happen with this notification is that every time a scan meets the condition, the scan result will be sent to Nucleus. That's it. We have connected our Pentest-Tools.com workspace with a Nucleus project through this notification. Let's start a scan in this workspace to demonstrate the behavior. While it's running, let's talk about the second way of using the integration. Another way of using it, which is useful if you are looking for more control in what reaches Nucleus, or if you are working with manual findings in Pentest-Tools.com, is to go to Findings, select the findings you are interested in, and click on Send to Nucleus. Choose from the projects you already linked or link a new one and click Send. Your vulnerabilities are now sent to the Nucleus Security dashboard. Let's see what it looks like. In the Nucleus Security interface, we can see that our findings are already here, both the ones we selected manually and the ones sent through the notification we configured. You can notice that vulnerabilities would have a different source depending on the tool which generated them. We can also check the Import History tab to see the latest activity. We understand that security projects can get complex, which is why we streamline this process to keep it as smooth as possible. Our new integration simplifies how you incorporate Pentest-Tools.com into your existing vulnerability management process. It helps you stay in control of your client's security posture by merging our comprehensive vulnerabilities into one single source of truth, giving you back valuable time and helping you build even more trust in your consistent security work. Stop wasting effort on manual data aggregation and start delivering curated, verified findings straight into Nucleus with full control over what gets shared and when. Head to integrations in your account and give it a try. And don't forget, if you have any questions, we are ready to help. See you next time!